Ray here from Action Pinball. Going to show you today how to install a rubber ring on a flipper bat. This is a standard 3-inch long flipper bat. This particular one is on a Gottlieb game. This technique is similar for other makes and models as well. First thing you want to do, the easiest way to do this is to position yourself behind the flipper bat like I am in the video here. You'll start with the rubber ring going around the heel of the flipper bat right there. These Gottlieb flippers are nice. They have a little groove in them that kind of helps hold the flipper in place or the ring in place vertically. Once you get around the back end of the bat here, you'll take both hands and just kind of pull it towards the tip and then lay it over the front, trying not to roll it. It'll snap down in that groove nicely and fit on there really well. That's how that's done. We're going to do a black one here to show you a little difference. The black rubber rings are made of a little more durable rubber. They're a little less stretchable, a little harder to get on. So we'll start this one, do the same technique basically, put it around the back, and then using both hands. I'm using quite a bit of strength here to do this. It's a lot tougher than the red ones, but just around and fit it down on the front like that. That's all there is to it. Another technique here you can use that I've done a few times where it's very difficult to get on them. Place a little piece of thin cardboard or something underneath the flipper like that, so that you're protecting the playfield surface up here in front. Then you'll put the get the ring started around the back of the flipper bat. Then take this is a small Phillips screwdriver that I have. That's maybe about 3/16 inch diameter, so it's fairly strong. What I'll do is I'll put that right under the tip there, holding the back of the ring on, and then very carefully and slowly move it forward like that, and then set it down around the tip of the flipper, and then kind of twist and pull it out like that. Now, that's a little more dangerous with the screwdriver because you run the risk of slipping and hitting something up here in front. That's why it's good to have some protection to protect your playfield in case you do slip. But anyway, those are two techniques to get a rubber ring on a flipper bat. Hopefully that helps you out. Good luck and happy pinballing.